Hey guys, today I am recording on my phone because my tablet is not charged at the moment. So here's the video. As you know from a couple of me texting you that I got a PS4, I got it on Friday, but we're gonna do the sort of unboxing, or we're just gonna do the PS4 review and what I got and all that. Okay, so first up, we walk over to my ottoman, and here she is. Sorry, it's not. Let me turn the light off. Focus. Okay, this is the PS4 Slim. The Slim, so we're gonna put this on my desk. I'm gonna plug it in and unboxing, and then we're gonna set up. The next video, and after this one has time to upload, I'm gonna do my setup. Okay, this is the HDMI cord for this. I kept that plugged in because I didn't want to move the TV around like I had to last time. That, to be honest, was a pain in the ass. Everything's set up, I just have to. So yeah. It's my PlayStation. Set up. Okay. The next thing are my controllers. I got basic black ones, DualShock 4s. 2 of them. One came with the PlayStation. The other my mom bought. So yeah, I keep one on the PlayStation as a guest controller, and then this is the one I use. If any of you out there have a PS4, my name is Prime Shockwave 38. Remember that. Next, these are last. My games are last. So looks like a controller charger. So that when the controllers need charged. The next, power cord. As you're wondering, where's the power brick? Well, the power brick is in this woman right here. The power brick's inside. But unlike my Xbox, which is running right now, the power brick's outside, which keeps this cooler. But this gets hot after a short time of gaming because the power brick's located inside the PlayStation. So, a few moments. Hold up. Okay. Bring this. I'm gonna plug this in to okay. That's plugged in. Just trust me on that. Let me take these socks off. As you know, I'm a YouTube gamer. I record gameplays. I think I'm gonna do one after I do my room tour.